we've just acquired this gorgeous Mercedes E-Class convertible with a fully retractable electric hood. Absolutely gleaming white. It's got Dominican style alloy wheels, absolutely unblemished. Car is in lovely condition. It's got park distance control on the back. Got the AMG carpet mats in the boot. It's got the AMG body styling kit on it. It's got full leather interior, partial electric. Absolutely lovely condition. It's got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth, satellite navigation. Car's done 74,516 miles. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, fully automatic, cruise control, auto headlights, electric windows, electric mirrors. So if you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.